Hello friends, today I'm showing you how to make double crochet V-stitch. First I start off by making chains, even number of chains, and then from the fourth chain onwards I start with 2 double crochet. So as you can see, I'm making a double crochet, and then again in the same again I'm repeating another double crochet in the same stitch. I will skip one chain, and then on the next chain I will make again 2 double crochet, as you can see, the same chain. So I will continue this, skipping one chain, then 2 double crochet. So this is the steps for row 1. So now I have reached almost the end of the row. I skip one chain, and in the last chain I make 1 double crochet, and then as you can see, this is how it looks. Then I would make 3 chains and then turn it over and start with row 2. So I insert the hook between the 2 double crochet that I made in the previous row. So you will see that now. Okay, so you can see I made the 2 double crochet. Insert the hook between the 2 double crochet again, and then I continue this till the end. And in the end, we make 1 double crochet at the end. Then again, once we finish with this, I make 3 chains and then turn over and repeat the same steps. So these are the steps for double crochet V-stitch. Hope you like it. Subscribe.